Good morning, grade 10. We are doing set 3.3 from that 8th question. The question is, find 4 consecutive terms in an AP whose sum is 12 and sum of the third and fourth terms is 14. And they have also given hint in textbook that you should be taking the terms as A minus D, A plus D and A plus 2D. So these are the 4 consecutive terms we are supposing. So let 4 consecutive terms in AP be this. Now what is first condition? Sum of all those. That means if you add these 4 terms, the addition would be 12. So what I have done? A minus D plus A plus A plus D plus A plus 2D. So all these 4 I have added. See, this is first term, second, third and fourth. All 4 terms I have added. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4A plus. Now see, 1 minus D and 1 plus D. So this would go off. D minus D is 0. And what remains? Only 2D. So 4A plus 2D comes out to be 12. Now all these 4, 2 and 12 are divisible by 2. So the complete equation, I am dividing complete equation by 2. So dividing by 2 we get 2A plus D is equal to 6. This is your equation first. So using first condition, we have formed first equation. Let's go to the second condition which is given. What's the second condition? Second condition says that sum of the third and fourth term is 14. This is first term. Second term, so third and fourth is A plus D. This is third term, A plus D. And this is fourth term. So these two are adding up to give 14. Are you understanding? Okay. So A plus D plus A plus 2D. So if you add up this, you get 2A plus 3D is equal to 14. Now just look at first equation and second equation. These are this one and second is this one. So these two are like simultaneous equations. Alright. So we can eliminate 2A if you subtract these two. So we are subtracting first equation from second equation. So it is 2 minus 1. Alright. So 2, second equation I have written first, minus whole first equation. So all signs are going to change. So 2A minus 2A will be 0. So I have not written. 3D minus 1D is 2D. 14 minus 6 is 8. So D is equal to 8 by 2, which is 4. Once you get value of D, we can substitute D in either equation 1 or in equation 2 so that we get value of A. So substitute 2A plus D is equal to 6. How much we got D? D is 4. So 2A will be equal to 6 minus 4, which is equal to 2. So A will be equal to 2 by 2, which is equal to 1. So you got A as 1 and D as 4. So using these two informations, we can substitute in this and find all the 4 terms. So which is our first term? A minus D is first term. So 1 minus 4. D is 4 and A is 1. 1 minus 3 is minus 3. Only A is second term. So only A means 1. Third term is A plus D. 1 plus 4 gives 5. A plus 2D. 1 plus 8. 2 into 4 is 8. So 8 plus 1 is 9. Or you can find these two terms and then go on adding 4, 4. You get consecutive next terms. Alright. So your terms, 4 consecutive terms in an AP are minus 3, 1, 5 and 9. These are first 4 terms. I hope it is clear. Let's go to the next problem. Now let's go to the 9th problem. The question is 9th term is 0 and we have to show that 29th term is equal to twice 19th term. It's very easy. Only you have to find equations of T9, T29 and T19. You will automatically get the answer. Just see now. Let first term be A and common difference be D. So what is Tn? Our formula for Tn to form nth term? It is A plus n minus 1 into D. So if I wish to find 9th term Tn, it will be A plus 9 minus 1 into D. In short, in case of T9, where T9th or 9th term is given as 0, in place of T9, I am writing 0. A as it is. 9 minus 1 is 8. So you get 0 is equal to A plus 8D. So what will be A? If 8D is shifted to this side, you get A is equal to minus 8D. This is your equation first. Is this clear? Now second, for 19th term, again Tn we have formula a plus n minus 1 into d. Now here n is 19. So here you are going to get 19 minus 1. So you are going to get a plus 18d. 19 minus 1 is 18. So what is T19? A plus 18d. But now what is A we have found out? A is minus 8d. So I am substituting for A as minus 8d over here. Okay, with the help of T9 term, equating it as 0, we have obtained A is equal to minus 8d. So I am substituting for A minus 8d. Minus 8d plus 18d gives 10d. So what I got? T19. T19 I got as 10d. Now let's go to T29. Same formula. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into d. So T29 will be A plus 29 minus 1 into d. 29 minus 1 is 28. So you have T29 is A plus 28d. But what is A again? A is minus 8d. So I am substituting here minus 8d. Minus 8d plus 28d becomes 20d. So what is T29? I can write 20 as 2 into 10d. But what is 10d? Look here, 10d is what? T19. So this becomes T29 is equal to 2 into, for 10d I am writing T19. That means what? 29th term is twice of 19th term. Thus it is proved. Very easy, no? Alright? Okay. Let's go to the next set now. That is application of arithmetic progression. So few word problems will be solving in set 3.4. So let's go for it. Now let's go to set 3.4 where we are going to see applications of arithmetic progression. What do you mean by application? How these equations or the formulas are used to solve day-to-day problems, word problems, alright, in that form. Now see, the first problem from set 3.4 is that on 1st of Jan 2016, Sanika decides to save rupees 10, rupees 11 on second day and rupees 12 on third day. That means first day of this year 2016 year, on first day she is saving rupees 10. On second day she is saving rupees 11. On third day she is saving rupees 12. That means what is the sequence of saving? First day, second day, third day. 10, 11, 12. So this itself gives you the sequence, arithmetic progression, where first term is 10 and D, difference between any two consecutive terms, 11 minus 10 or 12 minus 11, D is equal to 1. So up till here information is clear. Now, if she decides to save like this, then on 31st December 2016, that means in short, she is saving amount the whole year from 1st Jan to 31st December 2016. So if she decides to save like this money every day with 1 rupee increasing each day starting from 10 rupees, what would be her total saving? That means total days in 2016. Now see, 2016 is leap year. So total number of days will be 366. Alright, if it is not a leap year, it would have been 365. Now here it is leap year, so total number of days, which is n. See, first day, second day, third day, like this, 366 days will be there. So number of terms will be 366 and therefore n will be equal to 366. So total savings in 366 days is sum of n, that is 366 days, isn't it? So what is sum of all the terms? No, see, this term plus this term plus this term, like this you go and add till 366th term. So sum of all the terms is given by formula Sn, which is equal to n by 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. But how many terms are here? There are 366 terms. Alright, each day constitute to one term of a year. So S366 would be, substitute for n as 366, a as 10, d as 1, n as 366. So what do we get after substituting? 366 by 2 is 183. 2 into 10, 2a, a is 10, first day. So 2 into 10 is 20 plus 366 is n minus 1 is 365. D is 1. Multiply these two, 365 into 1 will be 365 plus 20. So this addition gives out 385. So 385 and here is multiplication sign into 183 would give you sum of 366 terms. So what is S366? 183 into 385. If you carry out this multiplication, you get 70,455. So Sanika saved rupees 70,455. Each day she was increasing 1 rupee than the earlier day. Alright? Okay? I think it is clear. You may pause the video and take down all the steps. So that's all for today, students. Thank you.